description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from South Korea. It's not an instant noodle. This is Bulgogi. And this is a Bulgogi one. And this one's a little different. And oh man, I screwed up. I really did. So it's got the Topokki. But then it's also got this mung bean thread, and I don't know, I'll have to look real close, which I'll do right now, and see what it says about the water amounts on this. That is in Arabic, so let's look on this side. It says, how much? The noodle rice cake along with the seasoning and blah blah blah. Pour boiling water to the fill line. Close the lid. 1.5 minutes at 1,000 watts. Okay, where's that fill line? Usually it was saying add this much. It was precise. But I guess we'll... And I haven't been using boiling water. I don't have any boiling water. So microwaving boiling water. Explosive. It will cause emotional damage, I think. So, yeah, it's something my son likes to say over and over. So, we will... do it the way we've been doing it. I know. But Ramen Raider, you always do it the way you're supposed to. I'm like, I know, but it's like... I think our microwave is just too alpha for that. There's the powder base. I've just been using hot water, so it works just fine. And there's our little wee noodle block into there. And then we have a, flakes. So since this is such a quick one, I will show you the neat new thing on the next episode. But if everything goes well, I'm going to be doing my photos a little bit different, and I'm like really excited about it. So we will see how that goes. But let's fill this to the line, which is right. It's pretty freaking low, isn't it? So the idea is that it bubbles up and encompasses all. I got a fork over here. I do, okay. I'll do it that way. That's the more measured approach. I'll fill this thing up and add it in. That's really the fill line. I'll go a little bit further. Okay. And I'm schwizzling it. It's pretty well schwizzled. So we're going to put the lid on loosely. And 90 seconds. Well, we can hope that nothing explodes or the universe doesn't go crazy. But yeah, so today is the 25th day of July 2025. I took a day off yesterday for stuff. I ended up going to the thrift store yesterday and scoring big. So you'll see what I got. Oh my, why are we all jerky now? Maybe it's because the microwave's going. I don't know that I've ever noticed that before, but everything's getting all crazy from the microwave. I got this little device on Amazon a while back that you push the button and you turn on the microwave and it tests to see if there's like a whole bunch of radiation coming out. Said nothing. Oh, the connection has been lost. Trying to reconnect. I see me. So I'm just like that. So we'll see. There's the back of my phone. I don't know if that's ever offended anybody, but I don't care. But yeah, I still have my Biden sticker on there. Oh, there we go. Now it's happy. Okay, let's see what happened. That's hot. Smells good. Oh yeah, that worked. And it is indeed very, very hot. As you can see, there's steam wafting. Waft, waft, waft. So let's have a look. So we'll try the tteokbokki. So they sent me 3 each of every variety of these tteokbokki. And the other day I made some for my daughter. And I made it on the stove. And I found, actually, that if you do it at a lower level and you do it for longer than they call for, that tteokbokki just keeps getting bigger and bigger and softer. Just like regular tteokbokki. So, kind of cool. Here's the bean thread. Yep. Alright, it is bean thread. It's nice. It's got the kind of sweetness you'd expect from Bulgogi. That's pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna have a hard time finding tteokbokki that I'm going to turn my nose up at. There have been a couple cases in the past, but it's not too often. And those are only in egregious cases where the tteokbokki has been introduced to a sauce that's so bad that it's like, it's a crime. Alright. So that and that. A little pepper thread. My God, it's been a while since I was bitching about not having sesame seed. Looks like I'm gonna have to re-up. Get more. That's what that means. And there you go. So rotato. Do your groovy stuff. Well, thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this. This is Vifon Seafood Tom Yum. It's made in Vietnam. This particular Vifon product is really made for Poland. I guess they also sell it in Romania. But this came by way of James from Lakeside, California. So thanks again, man. And yeah, more to come. This has been Hans the Ramen Noodle, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
I